Asenze sinemukele sikuvuselana wasonza kusivulela kutheke ngalesibili eSwatini Air yavalelisa Captain Robert Dlamini lobeseka sebende iminyaka lengu-38 kule field babamvalelisa ke ngelisiko lekuvalelisa pilots. Sasibukele ke nangumbiko.
For allowing us to host this event and honor you in your illustrious career as a pilot. We were planning it behind his back, and then he submitted a leave application. He submitted it on, was it Tuesday or Monday? On Monday. I had to go to his office and say, because I will decline the leave application because we are planning something for you. He has been a very good pilot. Those of you who have flown on Eswatini Air, the smooth landing, this is the captain that has introduced smooth landing to the young generation of pilots that we are training are learning from the best. Today, I've just asked him, he has signed his logbook for the last time. He has 20 hours, 20,000 hours, 20,600 hours in the sky. I've just done in terms of years. How many years is 20,600 hours? It's 3.5 years he has lived in the sky. Wow. Fly 3.5 years of his life, of his 65 years, 3.5 not on earth.
Many people have always, when I told them about this day, they said, no, we must pass our regards. We have quite a huge following now, but unfortunately, we are not on social media most. But I'm here to read Roger's message. The message reads as follows, colleagues. Dear Robert, congratulations on your retirement. What a fitting way to conclude an outstanding career. With the final flight and the water cannon salute, few aviators are afforded such memorable farewell. It is richly deserved. It has been a privilege to have shared so much of your aviation journey from the early days of Air Link Swaziland in 1999, through the transition to Eswatini Air Link, and later seeing you continue your career with Eswatini Air. Throughout those years, you consistently demonstrated professionalism, calm leadership, sound judgment, and an unwavering commitment to safety. You earned the respect of your colleagues and everyone fortunate enough to fly with you. You have every reason to look back with pride on a career that has helped connect people, supported the growth of aviation in Eswatini, and inspired those who worked alongside you. Your contribution reaches far beyond the hours you have logged on the routes you have flown. It is reflected in the example you set for others. As for one chapter closes, another begins. I hope retirement brings you good health, happiness, and the opportunity to spend more time with those closest to you, while pursuing the interests you have perhaps had to place on hold during your flying career. Thank you for your friendship, your loyalty over these years, and for the contribution you made to the Air Link family. May the skies always hold special memories. May the years ahead be every bit as rewarding as those you have spent in the cockpit. With my warmest regards and very best wishes, Roger.
A few weeks back, I was going through my social media posts and going through, and I come across another post about Royal Swaziland. Ngifunde le story sale Royal Swaziland. Nangisifunza le story bakhuluma lo muntu nje beka reflector nge-incident le endeka back in the 90s, I think specifically 1993. La khona i-Royal Swazi yaba ne-hijacking. Hawu ngayisilalela le story ngasilalela sifunze. Sesiyaxoxa-ke nama-colleagues lasebhodini. Ithi hawu yathi lapha ngikhaza na story nasi. Bathi hawu sisathi kahle le story lesi. Bayasho ukuthi umlangeni nje ngena lokaxoxela kahle lokuthi kwendekane kuleyo ndzaba leyo. He was part of that event, that unfortunate event back in the 90s. Why am I raising this? It was a moment that required focus, calmness, and also sibinzi. You can imagine, no you can imagine with how it felt, how the situation was. Nakavelelwa ngesigameko lesamvelele. Leo bravery leyo kwesitawukhumbula bonkosi ukuthi he was even awarded by His Majesty for le bravery leyo. Lene ngwenyama nayo beyikhombisa ku-appreciate the bravery lokusotsha labukhombisa during that unfortunate situation. Those are the risks that come with le msebenzi lebawendako umlangeni. To have spent over 3 years naso cumulatively flying, that's not easy feat. Ukhombisa dedication, the level of dedication that he had. Ikakhulu nasibuka lokho ukuthi wathi noma se collapse industry njengoba asho nje GM wabuya umlangeni and futhi wabuya ngesikhathi ke bekusikhathi kusanza nje sekuyophela iCovid, a very unfortunate time. Kepha wathi angibuye ngilosebenzela live lakithi, angibuye ngophinze ngifake emandla nami ngifake umfutho ngisebenzele live. Mlangeni sibonga kakhulu Nkosi. Nami ngikhuluma nje on behalf of the board yaka Eswatini Air. Kepha ngiyathi ukuthi ngikhulumela nalabanengi live banfulo bashayelele lendiza. I have no idea how many families you have flown around the world. I have no idea Maswati, myself included. Ngiyasathi le smooth landing sakho. Noma ngisengasi Eswatini airport. Ngiyasathi le smooth landing sakho Nkosi. And for that we are very, very, very grateful Nkosi. Nguloko lokuthi ngiko lokwenda lokuthi ngithi nje angibonga kakhulu kuloko Nkosi for that effort. Mina ukucala kwami ukucala gibela indiza, it was the late 90s. I think it was towards the end of Royal Swazi about Fokker F28 nje. I think the Fokker 100 ngayigibela lapho bebeyisasho labo Tanzania kuphela. Ngosi sibonga nje the effort and the commitment that we've had towards the country usenda lo msebenzi wakho. Ushilo ke GM wathi akungapheli njengoba kuphela namhla. Kepha lolwathi lwakho lobuciko bakho buyathi bayabudinga labantu abancane. Ngitena namfana wami nje namsa wami lo. Uthanda indisa kakhulu. Umbona sathi khuluma tibita ngamagama akhe. Ngathi ke mfana wami kuhlala indiza yebo wona ubuka nje as a hobby, but there's more to it. The story lesikhuluma konje, it talks about some of the things that the risks and the commitment. Emsebenzini uyafuna ukuthi imisele nawusebenza nawubambile nawubambe khona. lokuthi nje umlangeni akusiyo nje ukuthi kumbe ushayela le ndiza kuphela uphindze ku-director waka-operations la Eswatini Air. That shows the level of commitment that he has towards the country, not just Eswatini Air but even law. Bongosi ngakhuluma kushonela ilanga sikhatha lesenele kepha nje kubonga nje Nkosi kakhulu nami ngithi sonke bongosi la sikhona khona asimshayele tandla umlangeni for the good job well done. UNkulunkulu sifisa angathi angakugcina Nkosi uqhubeke uphile ube lisito eveni. uNkulunkulu akabe nawe. May God bless you as you retire, as you take your last bow. Sibonga kakhulu nje Nkosi. God bless you.
You can concur with me that this is the only thing I know better than any other thing, but now it has to come to an end. There were some hiccups on the way, there were thunderstorms, there were wind shears, as Chairman is saying, and some unfortunate situations. But what can you do? God gives you what He gives you. And if you take it as it is given to you, you will succeed in that way. So it's only courage. Guys, it's not easy that every 6 months you have to go for a test. When you come out from the test, if you get a failed, you lose everything like nobody else. But we had to go for all these 35 years. We have every 6 months you go some test and everything, and then until this stage. It's an emotional thing, and I thank you to the Eswatini Airport members and the management for giving me a chance. I can say I've already checked out about 5 or 6 other first officers who are following behind. So for me, it's something you can point at now, that at least for my country, they trained me and I've left it for somebody else. Thank you very much.
Alright, Eswatini Air leyo ivalelisa Captain Robert Dlamini lo sandize iminyaka ngemashumi amathathu nesiphohlongo 38 years on the sky. Dlamini ke waqala kundiza ngeminyaka wa1988, accumulating an incredible 20,600 flying hours. Imvalelisile ke Eswatini Air so uyothatha umhlala phansi. Sasalkhefu nasibuya sikhulumisana na Nicholas Jele sikhuluma ngesikam lesisha bofacata leseba